Create premium search bar UI in Jetpack Compose. Open Android Studio. Create a premium material-free search bar UI. Design a modern gradient background. Build a premium card layout. Create a reusable search component data model. Prepare a searchable components list. Create a material-free search text field. Add a leading search icon. Add a trailing clear button. Customize text field colors and shape. Manage the search state using Remember. Filter the list using Filter and Contains. Display an empty state when no results are found. Build premium search result cards. Handle search item selection. Hide the keyboard after selection. Clear focus for a better user experience. Show component title and subtitle. Add dynamic icons to each search result. Build trending search chips. Handle trending search chip clicks. Create a search button. Add a loading indicator inside the button. Complete the premium material-free search UI. That's how you can build a complete search bar UI in Jetpack Compose material-free.